In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find password settings on Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to make sure your account is secure, this tutorial will walk you through every step of the process. Keeping your account safe is essential, and HubSpot provides several tools to help you manage your security settings effectively. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find and adjust your password settings and even enable additional security features to keep your account protected. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up. It's quick and easy to get started. To begin, head over to the HubSpot website and log into your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry. On the login screen, you'll see an option labeled Forgot Password. Simply click on that, and HubSpot will guide you through the steps to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be ready to move on. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen there. You'll find your profile icon. It's usually represented by your profile picture or initials if you haven't uploaded an image yet. Go ahead and click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal settings page. On the new page that loads, look for the option called Profile and Preferences, click on it, and you'll be directed to a more detailed settings menu. This is where you can manage a variety of account preferences, but for now, let's focus on security. Within the Profile and Preferences section, locate the Security area. You might see it as a dedicated tab or link labeled Security. Click on it to access your security settings. This will open up a page where you can review and adjust key features related to your account's protection. Let's start by focusing on your password settings here. You'll be able to update your current password or set a new one if needed. When creating or updating your password, it's important to choose something strong and secure. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This combination makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your account. If you're unsure about the strength of your current password, this is a good opportunity to update it. While you're in the security section, take a moment to consider enabling two-factor authentication. If this option is available on your account, two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. For example, you might need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. This ensures that even if someone manages to guess your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. It's a simple but highly effective way to enhance your account security. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed and reviewed your password settings on HubSpot, and you've learned how to strengthen your account security with features like two-factor authentication. So now you know exactly how to find and adjust your password settings in HubSpot, ensuring your account stays safe and secure. If you have any questions or want to share additional tips about HubSpot security, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.